First, add the coffee, sugar, and warm water. Stir the mixture until it dissolves completely. Pour the coffee mixture into a blender, add the chilled milk, ice cubes, and vanilla ice cream. Blend the mixture. Continue blending until it is smooth, creamy, and frothy. Drizzle chocolate syrup around the inside of a glass. This adds extra flavor and presentation. Pour the blended cold coffee into the glass. Top with whipped cream and a light sprinkle of cocoa powder. This coffee looks amazing! Let's take a sip. Wow, that is incredibly good. Perfect for a warm day. You definitely need to try this.